How to fix TikTok shop product not visible. In order to fix product not being visible on your TikTok shop, you often need to link your account as marketing account. So what here you need to do is first thing first, you launch open TikTok seller account. This is the most common fix for product not appearing in your showcase. Just open the TikTok shop or seller center app. Then you want to navigate to settings and go ahead and look for link TikTok account. Then you need to go to select marketing account and enter the TikTok username to send an invitation. After you've sent the invitation, you want to open up your TikTok app onto your device, tap the profile, or you just go to the inbox section, and this is where you will be able to find your invitations. So now you could just go to resolve the probation status, and to lift this restriction you need to operate for 30 plus day, fulfill at least 500 orders, and keep your violation point below 12. This way you'll be able to fix TikTok shop product not visible. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.